How to listen music together on Spotify. First, let's open the Spotify app. And as you can see, there are many choices of songs available. If you don't find the one that you want to share with your friends, you can simply tap on the search button and you can find a song there as well. For this video, I'm going to select a random one. And now what you want to do is tap on the song that you want to share. Let's open it in full screen. Now tap on this icon. As you can see, my account is not premium, so I don't get the option of sharing the music. But if you have a premium account, you will have a plus sign that says start a remote group session. Click on that and then you would be added to a group. Now simply tap on the option of invite friends, and that should give you the option of sharing the music with your friends through different applications like Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, and more. You can also copy the link and share it in the message as well. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.